Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you top 5 most important functions for arrays in JavaScript. And as you can see here, we have an array of 4 elements of foods: chocolate, cake, fish, and bread. And the first function that I'm going to show you today is called join. And this function joins all array elements together. So for example, if I create another variable called var element or elements to foods dot join, and what I pass inside the join a star, for example a star. And if I use the console.log and I just pass the elements inside the console.log elements and save and run, as you can see, we have now chocolate, cake, fish, and bread. All are string connected to each other. Of course, we can just add here space, for example, and space again at the end after the star. If I save and run again, as you can see, we have chocolate and then star with the space and then space again and then cake, fish, bread. And this is how you can join elements of an array in a string using the join method. The next method that I am going to show you today is called pop, and what this function does is it removes the last element of the array. So for example, if I use the pop function and save and store the result inside the elements function, if I save and run, as you can see, it is going to print the bread, which is the last element that has been deleted. And if I print out the foods, the array again, the original array foods, if I save and run, as you can see now we have only 3 elements because the last element has been deleted. The third element that I am going to show you today is called push. And what push does is that it adds a new element to an array. So for example, if I use the push and I, for example, add ice cream to the push function, and if I save and run, as you can see now, I have a new element added to this array, to the foods array, which is ice cream, by using the push function. The next method that I am going to show you today is called shift. And what shift does is that it removes the first array element. So for example, if I use the shift and save and run, as you can see, the first element has been removed and the other elements were shifted to the beginning. So the first element was deleted, but its place as well has been deleted, which is chocolate and cake here has become the first element of the foods array. So it would take the index of 0. The last function that I am going to show you today is called slice. And the slice method slices out a piece of an element into a new array. And I'm going to show you what it means here, what that means here. If I use the slice and if I pass the number of elements that I want to slice out, for example, I want to slice out 2 elements, I would just pass 2 as the elements. And if now I save and run, as you can see, now I have sliced out the foods array into 2 arrays. The first one is the first one is the original array. The second one is the elements array, which consists of the fish and bread, because 2 elements has been sliced out. the first element and the second element has been added to a separate array, and the other two elements were added to the other array. But if, for example, I pass 3 and save and run, as you can see, it has started from 1 to 3, so it has started from the fourth element and added it into a separate array. So these are the top 5 most important functions for arrays in JavaScript. So if you like this tutorial, share, like, and subscribe. And if you want more content of this, leave a comment below. And by the way, you need to check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. And also there are useful information in the description below and courses that I have created if you really want to take your skills in programming to the next level. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.